What's up, gang? I'm back with another video. This is your boy Greg with D.I.Y with the Reassembly. Man, I pray that everybody being safe, man, out here with this coronavirus, man. Everybody staying quarantined, man. So I figured since I can't go nowhere, I'm on vacation. I'm gonna try to do a little work on on the tie hole right here. Throw a little itchy. But man, my wife tie hole been losing oil. I'm talking about at a tremendous rate. It's been losing oil. So I'm thinking the rear main seal might be bad on it. So I never changed out a rear main seal on one of these. This is a 2007 Tahoe. We're gonna try to do it together, see if we can get it done, man. But anyway, man, y'all come on with your boy D.I.Y with the wrist. When you working with D.I.Y with the wrist. Yeah. Alright, gang. This is the wife's Tahoe, man. So we're gonna try to get this thing up on some jack stands and try to get it up in the air, man. We're gonna have to pull the transmission, cross member. Oh, y'all see them LEDs come on? Oh. Anyway, man, we gonna try to get this thing up, man, and show y'all what I'm talking about. Alright. Alright, gang, we got the Tahoe up on the jack stands. This is a 5.3 LS motor. Just your basic run of the mill. Hopefully, man, I'll be able to have enough room to get my transmission jack. Get my transmission jack up, man, and up under there, have enough room to remove that transmission. So basically, man, I'm gonna have to pull the drive shaft, take the drive shaft off, put transmission jack up under there. Then I'm gonna have to take the cross member off. We're gonna take the cross member off. Then we're gonna try to slide this transmission out of there. Man, I don't know how this gonna work out, man. Hope I ain't gotta tow this mother Chevrolet. Anyway, man. All right. So the first thing we want to do, we want to disconnect our battery terminal and get that off. Loosen that up. You do not want no mishaps. You know what I'm saying? Get that out of the way. Alright, so we got the positive off. I'm gonna leave the negative on. I don't feel like taking all this stuff off here. But we got the positive off, got the battery disconnected. Now, we're gonna get up under here and we're gonna take this drive shaft off. Alright, gang. We're under the Tahoe, as you can see. Pretty nasty. Pretty nasty. So the first thing we're gonna do, we're gonna get this bad boy off. We're gonna get this drive shaft off. We're gonna get that off. So what you gotta do, let's go down here. What you gotta do, I'm gonna take them 4 bolts loose. I'm gonna zoom in on that a little bit. Them 4 bolts. 1, 2. You got one on that side, one on the other side. Them are your clips to hold your drive shaft in. So we're gonna get them loose. Then we're gonna pull the drive shaft out. Alright. To get those off, those are gonna be 11 millimeter. So we're gonna get all 4 of those off. And then we're gonna pull the drive shaft out. Alright, gang. Got that drive shaft out. As y'all can see. So what I'm doing now, taping up the end of my transmission. I don't want fluid to get all over the place. I don't know how good this gonna work, but hey, better than nothing. I didn't have a glove, didn't have a rubber glove to put over it. So hey, we'll try to get a little of that. So next, what we're gonna do, it's looking like I'm gonna have to take this whole exhaust off, man. I take it out back here, right here. Pull that out, And once I pull that out, I can drop this cross member, and we'll get up under there and I'll take that bolt right there off. Get the jack stand up on of it. Well, the transmission jack up on of it, and then we'll try to see if we can lower it down a little bit so we can get to the transmission bolts. Alright. Y'all stick with your boy. Alright, everybody. So, right now, I got all of my O2 sensors disconnected. You see right here. Rears and the fronts are disconnected. So, now, I'm going to try to take these manifold bolts loose. And those are 14 millimeters. So 14 millimeters, take those loose. You take both sides loose. And then you take that end. Let's see, you take that end right there loose. And we should be able to just pull this out from the front. So let's see how that work out. All right, gang. Man, I'm gonna show y'all the good, the bad, and the ugly, man. Having some issues getting this exhaust manifold out, man. Can't get the bolts loose. So Mike gonna have to put some heat or something on it. Like you see, I got the cross member down. Got my jack up under the transmission. But don't look like this gonna be an easy job if I can't get these manifold, this exhaust manifold loose, cause it's basically stopping me from being able to drop the transmission. So y'all stay tuned, man. Let's see what we can do, man. Yeah. See what we can do, man. I got the end, I got the back of it broke loose. These manifolds are gonna be a pain, so figure something out. Okay, gang. After fighting with them bolts, I cannot get them off, so I just cut that piece out of there. So I've had to drop this cross member. Y'all see the piece that I cut out. There she go. Piece I cut out. I kind of figured the price for me to let somebody do this far outweigh the price for me to get some pipes re-welded. So get that done. Got that out the way. Already got this cross member loose. I'm gonna put the jack up under there, move this cross member. Try to lower this down. See if we got enough clearance now. Alright.
24 hours later.
Man, this job turned out to be a little more harder than I thought it was gonna be, man. I didn't even get the transmission out the first day, man. Man, there's so much stuff on this truck, man, that you have to take off, man. Brackets. And not to mention, man, you got to have 1,000 doggone extensions just to get to the top bolts of the transmission. So we're back at it today, man, and let's see if we can get this done. So give y'all an overview of what I got done, man. So far, I got the drive shaft out, man. See the drive shaft on the back of the truck, got that off. I got all the brackets off, man. I had to get like 3 brackets that was on over the transmission bolts. So worked on that all day yesterday, and shoot, we finna get it in. All right, man, y'all come on with me. All right, gang. Let me see if I can show y'all what I'm talking about, man. The top, right up in there. Y'all might not be able to see it. Let me zoom in a little bit. You see that bolt way up there at the top? That's gotta come out. See if it zoom in. I don't think I'll zoom in. But man, you gotta have 1,000 doggone extensions to get up there. That's what we're gonna work on today. We're gonna try to get it. I'm trying to get this thing down, man. I'm gonna try to get it down, man. If I can get it back in, take it to the exhaust shop, man. I had to wind up cutting my exhaust because I couldn't get the manifold bolts off. I figured, you know, it'd be cheaper for me to do that than to break the doggone manifold bolt. But let's go, let's get it. Alright, gang. So you see what I'm talking about? Extensions. Let's just those extensions to just get up in there, man. I think I got the top one. It's ridiculous. I don't know what GM was thinking, boy, on this one. But we're gonna get it. We're gonna get it. We're gonna get it today. Alright, gang. We got all 8 of the bolts out. Got them out. Oh, and it wasn't easy. But anyway, man, it's the moment of truth, man. I'm gonna try to take this, get this transmission out of here. Oh, wait a minute. Tighten up on this thing. Try to take this out, man. I'm gonna have to stop filming. I had to pull this out 2 hands. I ain't got nobody filming for me today, so I'll get back with y'all once I get it out. All right, we got it loose, y'all. Got it loose. Bring it down a little bit. Want to get out the way just enough. Want to get out the way just enough for me to get to the rear main seal. I'm gonna get this out the way, and I'll show y'all the rear main seal and everything. All right, gang. As you see now, we got the transmission away from the flywheel. So now I gotta get that flywheel off. So I got a tool. Show y'all this tool I got. The tool here, you can get it from eBay or Amazon. It's a little tool that will lock. It screws into where the starter goes. See, if you can see them 2 holes right there. Them two holes right there. That's where the starter go in. So this tool, you just screw it into there and you lock it into the teeth of your flywheel. That way you can break your flywheel bolts. So I'm gonna put this on and show you how it look with it on. Alright, gang. So now you can see how I got that tool in there to lock between the teeth of the flywheel. So now I should be able to break these flywheel bolts. We'll break these flywheel bolts and then get them off, get the flywheel out the way so we can look at that rear main seal. And also, that's a 15 millimeters to break those bolts. All right, so we got the flex plate off. As y'all can see, man, there's a lot of leakage right there. I got the light shining on. That's the actual cover. That's 10 millimeter bolts to take that cover off. 10 millimeter bolt. So we're gonna get that off. And hopefully today, man, we have a new cover and everything on, new seal. And I might put this transmission back in tomorrow, man, cause it's a lot, man. Alright, gang. I'm up on that truck, had to take me a little break, man. Alright, let me show y'all the new gasket and rear main seal cover that I got, man. Show y'all what I got here. Alright. So this is the brand new one here. It's a new design. Got the new design seals. So main thing, we gotta be careful when we put these on. You slide that on there and you wanna make sure you got it straight. So what I'm gonna do, on the bottom of it, let's say you're supposed to put, you can put your little gasket maker, you know, up on the bottom of it where it meets with the oil pan gasket. So I'm gonna put that on there, put the new bolts on there. Can't use the old bolts because this pan, this cover is a little different, so got some different bolts. So I'm gonna do that, man. I'm gonna get that on, man, and get back with y'all, man. I don't know. It might take 3 days, man. It might take 3 days, man, cause I see, man, doing it on jack stands, you know, doing it on the ground, man. It'd be a whole lot easier if I had a lift, man, but I ain't got a lift, so doing it on the jack stands, man. We're gonna get it in, though. We're gonna get it done. All right, D.I.Y with the wrist. All right, gang. We got the new cover on. Got our bolts in. I just got them snug right now. The book calls for these to be torqued at 18 inch-pound. 18 inch-pound, not foot-pound. 18 inch-pound. So be careful with that. You don't want no leaks. But everything else, man, will be back in reverse of what you did before. You know, the only thing else left to do is torque it down, put the flywheel back on. That's pretty simple. Got about 6 bolts on that, 6 15mm. Then put your transmission back in, and bolt all that up. Bolt torque converter and everything. Bolt that in. Put your drive shaft back in, and you're good to go. Good to go. Hopefully this will stop the leaking that I had, or at least slow it down a little bit. But like I said, the truck got probably about 160,000 miles on it, so things gonna start acting up. So, but man, stay tuned, man. See how this goes.